This is İlker Uludağ from Tekyaz company from Istanbul. We are one of the main SOLIDWORKS reseller in our market, and now also we are a SWOOD distributor for Turkish market. I am the CEO of Tekyaz, but of course I have a very long story. For more than 20 years, I started from the beginning with different roles, but now I am the CEO of Tekyaz. We have started a SWOOD business 3 years ago, and it's a very promising product for us, and now it's one of our priority solutions in our portfolio for our customers. You know, Industry 4.0 is now very famous, and we were looking for total solutions to our customers. Even if we are in different manufacturing industries, we figured out together with SWOOD, maybe it is the first time we can approach the industry, which is furniture industry, from design to manufacturing, a full solution, total solution, which is fully automatic. It was really create a lot of passion in my spirit, and I believe that together with the help of SWOOD, maybe it's the first industry solution in our portfolio that we can really promise Industry 4.0 and full automation. Till now, we really have successful backgrounds in different manufacturing industries. But together with SWOOD, now we are very confident to visit even any demanding furniture customers, and also in our market we are very strong in Turkey, in Turkish market for furniture. So together with SWOOD, it's maybe the missing key functionality for our portfolio to present ourselves as the best solution for this industry. SWOOD solution is they have a very familiar interface because we are, reselling SOLIDWORKS more than 20 years, and SWOOD is something really integrated inside SOLIDWORKS. So with a very short training time, we can quickly adapt a SWOOD system. Today we have dedicated 3 people just for SWOOD design, and I see that maybe they are one of the most powerful guys in our company, and in just 1 or 2 years with their experience, we can fully answer our customer needs. We have many softwares in our portfolio, and the success always comes together with the support and also the passion of the vendor. And today, SWOOD is maybe I can say one of the best vendor we are working with. We are like a family, and so anytime when we need help, maybe sometimes for post-processors, sometimes for some interesting requests coming from our customers, SWOOD is always there. The team is always ready, not only to implement existing things, but also they are very active to enhance the software for our customer needs, and it makes us very happy and our customers happy. If our customers are happy, everybody is happy. The biggest advantage, they can just go out and control the full process. So this is something so unique in the market because it's not so common to have solutions from design to manufacturing that you can touch every single point during the process. Without SWOOD, most of those companies, especially in furniture market, has to rely on working in different silos. There is no integration, and they don't even recognize the bottlenecks during the process. But when we introduce SWOOD technology on top of all other SOLIDWORKS technologies, then suddenly they recognize first time in their life there is a full process solution There's no bottlenecks, so now you can grow much faster. Yeah, personally we are very happy because this is something we won't even copy for other markets. This is the first time as a reseller we also feel very confident when we are talking about industrial automation, when we are talking about 4.0. This is the first time we really feel it, because Industrial 4.0 is the vision, but to come to that point, normally it's not so easy. But when you see that you make some change in your furniture and then in your CNC machine everything is done without any problem, this is fantastic. We want to have this hopefully in all other industries, but they need to wait. But if you are in a furniture company, we can happily help you together with SWOOD Technologies. We as Tekyaz have 150 people, and we are looking for always the cutting edge technologies. Before SWOOD, it was just our vision, and we are talking about these integrations, and life will be much easier for the users, and the efficiency will be much better for the business owners. And now today, I'm so happy that after these 20 years of my journey in this business, today I feel very confident in front of these furniture companies when I introduce these technologies and make them happen, make all these promises happening in our customer base, in our customers. And so I thank to SWOOD to give this power to us and help us to be a game changer in this industry. SWOOD Days, it helps you to feel the family effect, because it's not only us, there are many other passionate resellers all around the world for SWOOD. So this is a very nice place. We meet face to face, it's very powerful. We meet other resellers, we meet even any technical people working in SWOOD. And it's very good feeling to meet them, the people that you get support every day on the phone. And it's really empower us. And I feel so happy to be part of this family. And I hope it will be a continuous event for the next year's SWOOD Days.